Hello everyone, welcome to Bike.
Welcome back.
Yes, King, just now we are watching our factory already.
Yes.
The factory
Yes.
and the test tower. Yes. So this year is a special year, right?
Yes.
Because the special situation, we can't go into other country.
Yes.
Also, for our abroad customer, can't go to China to visit this time Guangdong Fair.
Yes. Exactly.
Yeah, we make the online living show.
Yes. That's why we have the Guangdong Fair online. That's
But
security
yeah,
offers.
of course. And the other side, we try our best to show all our company. We can show you like the test tower, like the factory. Want you know more about our factory? Let you have the confidence for China and for national brand. Because we always believe the good national brand will go into all over the world.
Yes, of course.
Yes, so let's go to the next part because I see now we have a lot of friends write down many questions to us.
Yes.
Right?
Yes. So let's check our system to what kind of questions from our customers.
Oh, no problem. Yeah, I have some questions on my table already.
Oh, yes.
Over here, some customer ask this question.
Yes. From
I
the
think
iPad. Yes, you can
yeah,
see from the iPad.
I think, Kid, you can help the customer to give the reply.
Sure. No problem.
Give
No
the
problem.
answer.
No problem.
The first one that is, how does the elevator work?
It's a good question. Okay. Usually, elevator, there are two parts. The two main parts. One is the cabin. The other part is the contway.
Yes.
And the
counterweight.
contway and the cabin will connect it to our steel rope. The steel rope will go up to our traction machine
Yes.
and connect it two parts together. So it will run like this way. One, when the cabin goes up, our
Yes.
contway goes down. When our contway goes up, our
And
cabin goes down. Exactly.
Yeah, it's
So
a completely.
yes. So what would be the advantage for this one? Do you know? And it can, of course, save power. This is a very
I
good design.
understand. Saving the
Yes.
power. Because now we're using the traction machine that is gearless model, right?
Yes.
It's not the old traditional separate
different.
model.
Yes, it's
a
different.
completely one.
Exactly. So, what would be the next question?
Okay. The next question the customer very worried about. That is there any damage of sudden power filter during the elevator option?
This question is just like we mentioned.
Yeah, actually just now we was talking a little bit of it.
Yes, it
That
was
is
the ARD,
ARD,
function.
yes.
Exactly. So, like before we explained, the ARD is one of the safety features of our elevator.
Yes.
So once we have the ARD for the elevator, we don't need to worry about the power suddenly cuts. Because when power suddenly cuts, the ARD will give the elevator system the backup power, and then it will move to cabin to the closed floor and open the doors. Let the passenger goes out.
You are so professional of it.
Thank you.
So any technology, the question I also can learn from you.
Okay, of course, I can teach you a little.
Okay, so today we will keep your discount for your villa elevator.
Okay, thank you very much.
No problem. So let's go into the next question.
Okay.
The next question that is, what should I do if the elevator option speed up suddenly?
For the speed, it's a good question also. Actually, our elevator have a lot of safety features to control the elevator speed.
Yes.
First, all the elevator have its rated speed. Our inverter can set the rated speed. Just like the elevator is 1 meter per second,
Yes.
from our inverter, we can set it.
We
Our-
can make the same step, right?
Yes,
Okay.
but you will worry about what if the overspeed, right?
Overspeed, of course.
Yes. So apart from that one, we also have some mechanical safety features to
Okay.
ensure our elevator runs in this security speed. That is our overspeed governor and the tender shift.
Okay.
It's another system connected to the elevator.
It's a separate but connect together, being with the elevator together.
Yes, exactly. You know, in elevator we have steel ropes. The steel rope, one part is for the contway and the cabin. The other part is for the speed governor and the safety tender. So it's two completely different systems. So when the elevator run more than the rated speed, our overspeed governor will activate and it will cut just like a brake. to
okay.
control the elevator speed.
Elevator, yes.
Exactly.
So the speed will will never
Will never
suddenly,
over. Yes,
suddenly
exactly.
over,
Yes,
suddenly
yes.
over or up.
Yes,
right?
exactly.
So we talk about the elevator speed. Actually, I have a question to
Okay.
ask you.
Okay, what's that?
Do you know how much the biggest speed for our company can do it?
20?
No.
Okay, what would be that?
Do you know in our test tower we have a special elevator? Do you know that speed?
Oh, it's 8 meters per second.
Yes, that is.
Wow.
The highest speed we can do 8 meters per second.
Impressive.
We get the certificate of this technology already.
Yes.
So not only in China we can make it, also in the world we both can make very high building within the high-speed elevator.
Yes, just like the video Stephen showed us.
Yes.
The
The elevator, it sounds like very mechanical and very difficult. But if you know our factory, if you know more knowledge about the elevator, you will feel the elevator is very, very easy.
Yes,
And
of
for
course.
next part, I still have some question belong to our customer today watching. I will
Okay,
keep
what's that?
talking and you give us the answer.
Sure, of course.
Okay, the next question, that is our customer ask, can the elevator car overload be controlled automatically?
This is overload questions, right?
Yes, it is.
Of course. For our elevator, we have our rated capacity.
Yes.
And all elevator have its rated capacity. And some question will wonder, what if it is overload? And will it fall down? The answer is no. Don't worry about this one, because when the elevator overloads, there will be an overload sensor inside our elevator. And if maybe we put so many people inside the elevator, and the elevator will have an alarm.
It will be stopped to keep our body.
Yes, after the alarm warming, and then the elevator will stop there. Just keep the door open and give you some alarm sound to mention, oh, now it's the overload. Please, I'm afraid some of the passengers need to go out and wait for the next one.
Yeah, it's very easy and very very standard function belong to any different type elevator.
Exactly.
So my customer, you shouldn't worry about it.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, this is very, very easy.
So what will be the next question?
Okay, the next question is to how the elevator connect the people to protect our customer safety in the elevator, such as the door. How should I keep it open if it's not in the same level, or if the door is not can close during the customer is going inside, or they want to go outside? How to keep it open?
Okay. For our elevator doors, we have the protection sensor there. So on both door panels, we have a light sensor. And once there's any obstacle things pass through, and it will activate the door to reopen again.
Okay.
So it will never close during when our sensor activates.
So this will keep our safety, although you're inside and some baby to catch the door.
Exactly.
It won't never to let it open.
Yes, of course, of course.
Okay, so you see our elevator is so powerful and the support is strong. Also, it's very safety.
Yes, of course.
Now the national brand is developing very, very well. We can compare to the international brand.
Exactly.
Also in China, we get a lot of very good project like the Guangdong Metro.
Exactly.
I want to introduce that is Guangzhou Metro. This project, the special that is, you know, the metro. Every year, the population is huge.
Yes, you know, in Guangzhou Metro is so crowded every day.
Of course, it's most crowded metro in China.
So the elevator inside the metro station should have a very, very high requirements, right?
Of course, but you taking the Guangzhou Metro Line 7 and Line 13, you will see our project, you will see our elevator.
Oh, really? I need to go and have a look how it works.
So today, after the living show, I will take you to Guangzhou.
But it's a little far away.
But no worry.
Maybe tomorrow.
Okay, no problem. Tomorrow we can go it.
Okay.
Because today I'm waiting the customer message to our official.
Yes, you know, we have so many questions here later. We need to answer them
the
one by
email.
one.
I want to repeat the email again. That is our official the email address. That is overseas@winone.cn.
Yes,
Send us the message.
Yes.
Send us what kind of elevator you need. We will give you very good service and a good design, also within a very good quotation.
okay, okay, okay. So, Remo,
Yes.
do you still have more questions?
For the questions, actually, I still have some, but I want to, by personal, to reply my customers through the email.
Yeah, of course,
because
it's
now
better.
you can see over here we get so much email already.
Yes, it seems our friends is very interested in our company and our products.
Okay, and now, do you know our company, the biggest capacity elevator we can do?
What's that?
The capacity.
Yes, I know.
Yeah.
So, what will be the capacity?
For last year, we get a project and we make the elevator for them. That is 18 tons elevator.
Wow, 18 turns.
So you can see that is can holding many seat elephants. Very huge.
I don't have any idea how big it is.
The 18 tons elevator, the cabin is so big, and we get this technology by ourselves. We're making this project name is using in LG display. So it is
Whoa.
an international company, right?
It's very famous. I heard
They
that.
trust us, and we make the cooperation together. And for the future, this year and next year, we will developing another huge capacity elevator for them. Also, on the way for us developing, we get a lot of good partner, like media.
Wow, yes,
Right?
I also heard that
Yes.
there are a lot of famous real estate company in China who are using our elevators.
Of course, recently has a new mall belong to media is using more than 70 unit elevator and escalator. All is from our brand.
Wow, amazing.
I'm really want to take in all the customer now is watching us to taking them to see the real project.
Yes. Okay, I think now is almost the ending of our talk show today, right?
To be honest, I don't want to end it.
Oh yes, of
because
course.
you know, long time I didn't see our
customers.
overseas customer.
Yes, exactly.
Today is really a good opportunity to talking with them.
Exactly. So remember, if you have any questions, anything you want to share us, you can send email to us, and
Yeah.
also you can leave our message from our system here. Okay?
Repeat the last time. That's our email official address. That is overseas@winone.cn.
Yes,
Leave
exactly.
the needing what you want. Send to us.
Yes, exactly. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
Expecting to meeting you tomorrow.
Survey
Goodbye.
you need, know you more. Bye bye.